Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, you know what? At this time, the cryptocurrencies market is completely falls down. Completely, the price of every coin, my friends. Not only Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, a lot of cryptocurrencies, the price is going down. Every coin is in the falls, my friends. But I have a good news for all of you. Congratulations to all Cardano holders. As you can see here, this time the price change of coin the Cardano in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes is going positive. So that's a congratulations news for all of you. Congrats all holders. Before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe ABS Take 7 for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, if we look the currently latest price of the Cardano in the market, so 1.37 USD dollar. 1.37 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Cardano in the market, and the market rank of the Cardano is 5. And as I told you, my friends, that in a previous time, completely, my friends, every coin is fast down. You can see here the Cardano also fast down in the last one day. In the last 1 weekend, the Cardano price is going down. Let me show you the price chart of the Cardano. My friends, as I told you, my friends, that in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes, the Cardano start pump. And that is the last 60-minute price chart, and you can easily understand the pump of the Cardano. Absolutely, that's a massive update of Cardano, and that's a massive jump of the Cardano. This time 1.9% the pricing is positive, and the highest price is 1.37 USD dollar. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech for more news and updates videos.